Today I will tell you about animal tissue. There are four types of animal tissue by which the body of animal is made. These four types of animal tissue are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue is such a type of animal tissue which covers all the exposed surface of our body. Characteristics of epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue has following characteristics. First, epithelial tissue doesn't have intercellular space, as all the cells of it are tightly packed. Second, epithelial tissue is a vascular tissue, as it doesn't have blood vessel supply. Third, epithelial tissue is a lymphatic tissue, as it doesn't have lymphatic vessel supply. Fourth, epithelial tissue is a neural tissue, as it doesn't have nerve cell supply. Classification of epithelial tissue. On the basis of arrangement of epithelial cells, there are two types of epithelial tissue, namely membranous epithelial tissue and glandular epithelial tissue. Membranous epithelial tissue. What is membranous epithelial tissue? Membranous epithelial tissue are those tissue whose cells are arranged in long sheet form. Glandular epithelial tissue. What is glandular epithelial tissue? Glandular epithelial tissue is those tissue whose cells are arranged in folded form in the glandular pattern. On the basis of shape, epithelial tissue is classified into three types, namely squamous epithelial tissue, columnar epithelial tissue and cuboidal epithelial tissue. Squamous epithelial tissue. If the cells of epithelial tissue is flat with irregular boundary and central nucleus, then such epithelial tissue is called as squamous epithelial tissue. This is only the epithelial tissue which is thinnest. Cuboidal epithelial tissue. Cuboidal epithelial tissue is those type of epithelial tissue whose cells are cube-shaped with central nucleus.